What's up, guys? Random footage from Ron here. Currently, I'm driving the Mazdaspeed Miata, having a good time, and we're actually heading over to my buddy's house, do an oil change on this car, and actually get underneath it and check it out. We've owned this car for a few months. You've seen the video when I posted it, but we haven't done anything with it since. So I registered it yesterday, got it insured. We're taking it for a spin. Let's see what happens over at the garage hangs. Sometimes they're fun. I think I might go for a ride in like a, I don't know, 1,000 horsepower GTR, so we'll have to see how that goes. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And of course, we have John Seaman with us. Out of nowhere, so. Damn, that thing sounds good. All right, see you guys over there. Yeah, Copperhead Viper. So, got it in there, did the oil change. There's metal in the oil, so Jesse said it's ruined. So he said he'd give me $1,500 for it, so I'm probably just gonna let him have it. But no, we're just doing some maintenance. The oil did have a little bit of particles in it. The oil's also 2 years old. This car's been sitting, so I'm not too stressed about it. We're about to do some brake fluid, get this thing running good. Look at this cool big wing shit. 2 Zoom Junior, slow car.
Alright, now go ahead and hold it.
DOT3, baby. Jesse with them super fancy tuner lugs. You can even cap them so they can't be stolen. How cool is that? Unless you have an Allen key. But getting the brakes pumped, wheels already on. Man, I need a car lift in my garage. If anybody watching this works for Bin Pack or eBay or Harbor Freight wants to help me out with the car lift, you let me know, because I'd really appreciate it. Man, this thing's so nice. Welcome to Random Footage from Ron TV. How dead is that leg? Jesse's having a good time. I don't think he's been turning it left or right. He's just making it pump over and over again.
The brakes have been done for an hour. I'm just fucking with it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Pump.
Well, so far, all new brake fluid, all new clutch fluid, and Jesse is working his race car magic to try to put some functioning rods on this. So that way the splitter actually does more good than bad, unlike right now where it just creates a giant dam and slows the car down. And when you only have like 85 horsepower, you really don't want that. So car is back on the ground, looking good. Actually gonna let Jesse take it for a spin. It's quiet as can be, but it's such a fun little car. Man, look at that copper orange, baby. What a cool experience. Best part is this car is way, way, way faster. Well, good morning, guys. It's the next day. Last night just kind of ended. We were having a good time just hanging out. So I didn't want to shove the camera in everybody's face anymore. So I'm actually walking over to the garage over there. And we're going to get ready to jump in the Viper. My brother and I are going to a car show. I think it's more of like a muscle car show. I'll probably film some of the cars, film a little of the action, if there is any action. Who knows? It's a beautiful day. It's like 75 degrees outside, which in Florida is kind of rare. So it's nice. Let's get these cold starts. You can enjoy those. And then I'll see you guys in a little in the Viper. Whoops. All right, go ahead. There it is. Just arrived at the meetup spot with a bad purple biatch and the cool camo wrap Jeep. And then at every good car club, the Slam Del Sol. Oh yeah. So we just got down here, down to Teddy Morse's Daytona Harley Davidson. So yeah, we're just hanging out here. We're gonna walk around, check out all the cool cars. I'll film anything if there's anything super exciting, but it's hard to beat the Dodge Viper. Modern muscle, classic car, so cool. 455, almost as big as the Viper motor. It's actually kind of crazy. And you got the GTO LS2. It's kind of crazy. Looks so good.
Olive oil.
Man, back in the day, they really didn't care about pedestrians. And I just want to shout out this beautiful 300ZX just sitting over here. Golly, that thing's like perfect. That's pretty cool. Rear windshield goes down. Throw the big surfboard in here. Take it to the beach. Woo! There's John G. Looking cute. It's insane. Nowadays, there's not even ice cream trucks. You got the old classic one parked up here, just looking cool. I take it back. It's a functioning ice cream truck. I'm a hater, I guess. Why'd you just touch the tip of my ice cream with your tip? You freak. But ice cream and cars. Not a better way to spend a Sunday. Damn. Got the old big wing and everything. Damn. This thing is sick. Not only one turbo. Oh, sorry. Cameras like to change. But 2 turbos. I love that. Compound coming set up on an old rat rod. That is the way to do it. Check this out. We're out here at the dealer just walking around. You got the old V4 powered prototype. It's so sick. And like every fun day out in the car, it ends at a parts store buying some stuff for one of them. And there goes John G. And Lamborghini doors on the Solstice. Sweet JDM World home. There's Kaylee way over there walking me her Mazda speed keys so I can get a car out of the garage, get the Viper parked. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I know it's a little random. It's just, you know, kind of what we do on a day-to-day basis with the cars and friends and everything else. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe, like the video, comment, tell me what you didn't like about it, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.